Imagine this. In 2026, silver skyrockets to $300 per ounce, turning a $50,000 investment into millions for those who know the secret play. But most people think the boom is already over. They're dead wrong. Discover the pure math behind the growing supply deficit, the S about to send prices parabolic, and how you can profit before the rest of the world catches on. Subscribe to the channel and like this video right now so you don't miss the next explosive updates. It's January 19th, 2026, and silver is trading around $93 per troy ounce. After an explosive 205% surge over the past 12 months, most investors believe the run is done. Most are wrong. The real bull cycle is just getting started. The reason is pure math and structural. The silver market has been in a supply deficit for 8 straight years, and the gap is widening fast. Industrial demand from solar panels, EVs, AI data centers, 5G, semiconductors, and hydrogen is insatiable and can't be fixed by printing money or ramping up mines overnight. When major industries realize they can't build factories without physical silver, the price won't just rise, it will explode. Realistic priced forecasts for 2026, drawn from Silver Institute data analysts like Alan Hibbard, HSBC, Bank of America, and others. Base case, $85, $110 mild recession tempers, some demand realistic bullish, $130 menos $180. Deficit keeps growing. No major global crash aggressive, $200, $250 plus COMEX squeeze plus industrial panic plus macro crisis. Moonshot, $300 systemic crisis, weak dollar, BRICS rumors of silver, backing the gold-silver ratio is still around 50-to-1 historical norm, 15 to 60-to-1. When it drops below 40-to-1, silver typically outperforms gold by 2 to 5. Now, the real deal, how you, an average investor in Brazil or anywhere, can make serious money from this run. 1. Physical silver coins and bars, the safest, most direct long-term play you own, the actual metal. 0 counterparty risks, no bank failure, no ETF blowup, perfect for hedging inflation, crises, or financial collapse. What to buy? Sovereign coins. American Silver Eagle, Canadian Maple Leaf, Austrian Philharmonic, low premium, high liquidity. Bars, 100 ounces, generics lowest premium, 1 kilogram, or 10 ounces avoid jewelry insane premiums. Numismatic collectible coins, speculative premiums, swear to buy in Brazil, January 2026. Physical stores Ouro Minas, São Paulo. Par Metal, Santa Fe, Belo Horizonte. Plenty of shops in Franca, São Paulo, and Ribeirão Preto. Online reliable, Mercado Livre sellers with plus 10 years. 5-star ratings, check LBMA seal. International sites via Import JM Bullion APMEX. SD Bullion pay with international card plus taxes, 60% import plus IC. Acceptable premium, 5 to 8% over spot for sovereign coins. Generics as low as 2 to 4% profit strategy by on big dips. Below $85, $88, 10 to 20% corrections are normal in bull markets. Dollar cost average DCA, fixed amount monthly or on every pullback hold 12 to 36 months. Sell-in stages, 30% at $120, $140, another 30% at $160, $180. Hold the rest for $200 plus expected return, 80 to 250% if silver hits $180 to $250. For example, $50,000 invested today could become $90,000, $175,000 in 18 to 24 months. Pros, real possession, total system protection. Capital gains tax, 15 to 22.5% on profit if over tilde. 35 million reals a year. Exempt on monthly sales up to 35,000 reals if planned right. Cons. Premiums, secure storage costs, home safe or bank vault. Slower to sell, need a buyer. To PSLV Sprott Physical Silver Trust, the best balanced option, highly recommended. 100% physically allocated ETF real silver in audited Canadian vaults. Trades like a stock on NYC. Tiny premium, approximately 1 to 3% over spot, massive liquidity. Why PSLV beats SLV iShares Silver Trusts. SLV allows metal lending, counterparty risk. PSLV is fully allocated. No lending, much safer. How to invest from Brazil. International brokers, Avenir, Interactive Brokers. Nomad USD account by ticker PSLV directly or BDR if available on B3 strategies. Partial sales in stages, same as physical. Expected return, 80 to 180% in the bull case. With way less hassle. Pros, instant liquidity, No storage worries. Capital gains tax 15 to 22.5%. 3. Silver mining stocks, maximum leverage, highest risk, highest reward potential. When silver rises 100%, quality miners often jump 200 to 600% operational leverage plus speculation. Top picks for 2026, liquid and solid, Pan American silver POs, diversified, strong management, lower relative risk, Hecla Mining HL, biggest primary silver producer in the US, First Majestic AG, pure silver play, high beta, more volatile, core mining, CDE, interesting turnaround story, Wheaton precious metals, WPM streaming, royalty, lower risk, pays dividends, how to buy from Brazil, International Brokers Avenue, interactive brokers or BDRs on B3 if listed, strategy, expected return 200 to 600% plus in a strong bull, but can drop 60 to 80% in temporary bears, leveraged HFEs and products, experienced traders only, high risk SLVI shares, Silver Trust, track spot price, high liquidity SIL, Global X Silver Miners, ETF basket of miners, AGQ Pro Shares, Ultra Silver, 2 daily long swing trade, only USLV 3 long. Ultra aggressive, never hold leveraged products for weeks. Months the decay will kill you. Complete 2026 strategy, step by step to maximize gains, ideal allocation for moderate to aggressive profile. 40 to 50%. PCLV or physical safe based never more than 15 to 20% of total net worth in silver practical entry exit rules. Strong by zone $80, Sati $8, load up heavy, add more, below $75, Sati dollars. First partial sell 30% at $120, $140. Second, another 30% at $160, $180 moon bag, hold rest for $200 plus, or gold silver ratio 30 to 1 general stop. Below $70 only in deep recession plus strong dollar. Key triggers to watch, acceleration signals. COMEX eligible stocks 100 MOS gives squeeze incoming gold silver ratio 40 to 1, gives explosive phase monthly solar EV installation data real demand confirmation. Fed rate cuts plus weakening dollar DXY95. Tips for Brazilian investors, especially in Frank SP, use international broker with USD account avenue as easiest. Plan taxes 15 to 22.5% capital gains, declare everything on IR, avoid FOMO, don't chase after, plus 50%. In weeks, protect yourself. Keep emergency cash in, fixed income plus dollars to buy dips. Realistic profit scenarios with $50,000 invested today. PSLV, physical dollar $90,000, $130,000, 80 to 160%. If silver hits $160, $220, miners PAC ECLA, $150 menos $300 mais 200, minus 500% in strong bull diversified aggressive portfolio gives 150 to 400% potential in 12 to 24 months, higher risk. The 2026 silver bull is Ewan type or narrative it, Espure math. Structural deficit plus existential demand equals prices must go higher. Start small, buy the dips, hold strong, sell in stages. This is a cycle that could change your net worth in 2026. Your choice, watch from the sidelines or get in the game. Good luck and let's ride this wave. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that LIKE button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big move.